What up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Dad Jams, where me, an old dad, reacts to music videos from the 90s, the 2000s, and some new stuff from today. Guys, today we are back on our King Gizzard and the Lizard Wizard journey that we've been on for, I think, a couple months now. I don't know. We're like 20-something videos in. We've got 44 to go. We're slowly working through their unbelievable amount of songs that they've done. 27 albums at this point. Anyways, today, guys, King Gizzard and the Lizard Wizard, we've got the Lord of Lightning versus Balrog. Just based on that name, I have high expectations for this. The other day, the last one I did, what was it called? Han Tiomi and the Murder of the Universe. 100% nothing of what I was expecting, but it was still very good, very entertaining, and it was a lot of fun. So this is another 14-minute long video. So I'm going to try not to pause whatsoever. We're just going to go through it. We're going to have a great time. And don't forget, guys, as you watch this, subscribe to the channel, of course. If you're a King Giz fan, you're going to want to subscribe and go through this whole journey with me. I've done everything in chronological order from the beginning, all their videos. But then comment below any other bands and songs you want me to react to. I add it to the request list, and we slowly work our way through it. That being said, let's do it, guys. King Gizzard and the Lizard Wizard, the Lord of Lightning versus Balrog. Off we go. Oh, geez. I mean, I don't have photosensitive epilepsy, but I'm still old. You know what I mean? All right, so that's People Vultures. We got a little reference back to People Vultures. So where are we going with this, guys? Stu, where are you taking me?
There is a secret I've been keeping.
Oh, I'm gonna love this.
A story, true and genuine. And I have not the candid heart to
I'm gonna love
keep
this.
its burden.
Guys, I love music videos that are like mini movies. Mini movies. Give me a storyline. Give me characters. Give me ups, give me downs, you know? Give me bad guys, you know?
Ostinato. And every time I think of the poor lot, I recall the fear upon their faces.
There's our first character.
Fate of them all. I saw death become of light and life become of fire. I saw it from my hiding place within the quagmire. I bringeth forth the drama, unabridged and unignored, the battle of the Balrog and the mighty lightning.
Lord of Lightning shifts his gaze, points his strong finger our way.
He's playing with a stick, like an actual stick. Look at those goddamn trees. Those look like California redwoods. Oh. What old guy doesn't like a nice tree, you know? Like, those are good trees. As you get older, you become a tree guy. Sorry, I'm talking too much. Oh, okay. All right, King Giz. Sorry, just had to check something.
Floating fire, golden wire, silver trails, flashing spire, guns are cracking, bombs are smacking, cannonball tails, whips are lashing. Lord of Lightning moves our way, sends a crooked look at me.
I love he's playing with just a stick. These guys. This is fun, guys. This is fun. I'm having a good time.
One more time, the vault lights up a carnival of paint. I endeavor to watch the panic, but I worry that I will faint.
Floating fire, golden wire, silver trails, flashing spire, guns are cracking, bombs are smacking, cannonball tails, whips and lashes, Lord of lightning's closer now. Our world's only rain and cloud.
I keep getting texts. Don't these people know I'm recording a reaction?
Nature's might this evil down.
And from the Lord's electric snare, one goes in his electric chair.
She's in the forest. These songs have to be insane live. And I say these songs, this, the last one, Hantiomi, Tuyumi, whatever it is.
His electric trap was electric cyanide. The luckless hostage has been thoroughly fried.
Oh, too much, too much. I can't look at that. Still got two drummers. Yes, yes. Harmonica guy is crushing.
And as the cadaver lay studied with open crusted eyes,
Oh yeah.
the
Oh
smoking
shit, we're halfway.
corpse began
We're
to
halfway,
twitch
guys.
at my great surprise. Then the
Seventh
figure
inning
sprang
stretch.
up,
We're halfway.
and
We're
once
stretching it
the
out.
corpse alight,
We're moving,
the creature
moving the body.
known as Balrog
We're here for the
was
long run.
born that very night.
What's the second half gonna be like?
You made the atom split. It caused a massive rift. And it came streaming through. In a bite the head from you. Balrog, 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 Balrog. Yep.
Balrog fears not the lightning lord. He's fixed on us as him ignored.
Guys, this is a song.
You made the atom split, and it came screaming through. In a bite the head of you. Balrog, 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 Balrog.
I build the bravery to sneak a glimpse at its expression. And beyond the flames, I see and smirk at our present depression. I fear that God's a chef.
Here we go.
He's thrown us into a great
The
pot.
change up is happening.
He is here, fully formed. glowing, red and lapis hot.
Heated madness comes to gouge the heart from us, blazing violet, reaching on the apocalypse. I don't want to submit to his awful touch.
This has got like a Who feel to it, right? Or the Who feel to it. Guys, this is insanity. I'm having a great time though.
Skin begins to burn. There's nowhere we can turn. There's no way we can win. The devil puppets him. He's by our muscles flex. We are his next subjects. His power has us flung. Kneel before the overlord. Balrog, 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 Balrog,
I'm getting tired. This old guy's getting tired here. We still got 3 minutes to go, 3.5 minutes to go. Can't watch that.
For them, the future was as laid out as the burnt path was straight. And so the damned remaining lot knelt before the red behemoth. And as they prepared for afterlife, there appeared the endemic
So
monstrosity.
he's got the flute out.
The lightning lord was back and charged the Balrog with animosity. Furious, he pummeled his breast and ablaze alit the heavens. The stage was set for war.
These guys must have an
And to
incredible,
the Balrog, the Lord's finger beckoned.
incredible collection of cloaks. Oh shit. This is what I was hoping for! They've got cloaks for every occasion, you know what I mean? These guys, the cloak masters.
sky is bleeding hair. God is weeping.
Is that supposed to be Balrog? Yo, his eyes. God damn.
And thus, revenge was fruitless, the one who had been turned. And we are reminded who lords over this altered world.
I'm so lost with this story. There's just been so much to pay attention to. And I've been talking too much. Yes, 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 yes.
Floating fire, golden wire, silver trails, flashing spire, guns are cracking, bombs are smacking, cattle tails, whips are lashings, Lord of lightning save, he pulls a golden stake, launches into space and nudges to the east, one word, lightning.
Oh my god. This is just going on forever. Oh, where does I say that? Oh, don't do this to me. Fuck you guys. Now you guys are back in your cloaks again.
And as the acrid Balrog corpse smolders just like it began,
Cloak City, baby.
its crimson
Cloak
orange
Central.
light melts into the
A
setting
cloakscapade,
sun.
you know? King Gizzard and the Cloaked
And
Wizard.
leaving us not without a final clap of light. The lightning lord escapes as day fades into moonless night.
Look at his face. Yes. Is that the same guy that I've loved in all these videos? I don't know their names yet. All I know is Stu. Guys, that was just insanity. Absolute insanity. Well, good Lord. There you have it. King Gizzard and the Lizard Wizard. The Lord of Lightning versus Balrog. I've never reacted to a video that long, I don't think. That was an insane adventure. A lot of it, I don't even know what happened because it was so hard to pay attention to everything going on. And then to hear the story that the narrator was saying, that lady. But good God, sir. That was fantastic. I had a great time. King Gizzard and the Lizard Wizard, the Lord of Lightning versus Balrog. I'm going to give it a Dad Jam score. I'm going to give that an 8.3. That was really fucking good. It was good. I got to rewatch it because there's just so much going on that, again, I couldn't quite conceptualize the storyline. So I'm going to rewatch it. But that's your score. There's your reaction. And I think up next, what do we got up next? Invisible Face. We're working our way through this, guys. 43 more to go. So don't forget, subscribe to the channel. Come on this journey with me. Comment below anything you want me to react to. We'll add it to the request list and we'll slowly get to it. But guys, thank you as always for watching. Have a great rest of your day. And I'll see you in the next video.